And just that quickly, Riley Maidler takes her medical marijuana.
I take it 4 times a day, 1 in the morning, and then during lunch, and then during dinner, and then at night before I go to bed.
The 13-year-old from Delaware says cannabis oil has helped treat the tumor that was eating away at her bones.
In 2nd grade, my face started to grow and it was getting bigger. My mom decided to take me to the hospital.
The news from the doctor was grim. Riley, who was 7 at the time, was diagnosed with aggressive giant cell granuloma. Only a handful of people in the world have the disease.
I was just like so uncomfortable because, you know, like seeing my face in the mirror and it's like all big, and it made me really sad and stuff. I was also in pain because of my seizures that I started having. My stomach would cramp up and I started to hallucinate.
It's actually like a gut emptiness of when the doctors, first described to us what was happening and what they thought was going to happen.
After surgery, Riley's mom decided to give her medical marijuana to see if it would help her symptoms.
I was so scared. Anytime you give your child any kind of new prescription, you're scared because you're looking for those side effects. We just researched a lot and came across, medical cannabis as a possible alternative that could help her heal, and I couldn't find anything that was detrimental with using that.
The tumor, it shrunk. The seizures, they stopped.
It's way smaller than it was before. I haven't had a reoccurrence in about 4 or 5 years. Taking cannabis oil, it made me feel so much better, and my bone was growing back. The roots of my teeth were growing back. Before, they were held in with stitches and I was told they wouldn't live, but the roots regenerated and I still have my teeth.
Dr. Andrew Orden with the doctors says there's not enough evidence to support whether this type of treatment works.
The key is, if you're thinking about trying it, you need to see a pediatrician who specializes in using marijuana and especially in dosing marijuana CBD oil for your kid.
Before I took cannabis, my brain was normal, and then after I took cannabis, all of these years, my brain was the same and it didn't harm anything.
Riley's now made it her mission to help other sick kids get the medicine they need. Speaking in front of legislature, she's already pushed to pass 3 laws in Delaware. One makes it legal for kids in the state to be administered medical marijuana. Another lets children take it at school.
O'Reilly's law was to make cannabis legal for children because it was illegal, and when my mom gave me cannabis, it made me feel so much better, and I didn't understand why other kids couldn't have it. I wanted to help those kids. Hi.
She's also created the nonprofit Riley's Smile Foundation.
It's very hard knowing what helped you and seeing other people who could be helped by it.
Bringing smiles to sick children and their families by giving them a better quality of life, just like she has now.
She is very inspiring to a lot of people, and I love seeing that what she's doing.
Changing kids' lives, one law at a time. I'm Lee Sheps for InsideEdition.com.